Hello, guys. Hello, friends. Okay, we have here a 1992D Lincoln Penny. If you have a 1992D Lincoln Penny, you look at the reverse of the coin. Okay? If the A and M is touching each other, that is worth $550 minimum. Yes, they call it the 1992D Close AM. Okay, that's all. Bye for now. Don't forget to subscribe.